Riding on the
We're in love.
Oh, I appreciate that.
How much was your car?
All of it.
Expensive?
Yeah.
How come we don't get a spoiler like his?
Who's this little green one?
Oh, that's
his
well.
also.
Yours too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, so these are your toys.
I like that one.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like the green one.
I like the green one.
I see
Yeah.
that, I met it today somewhere. Alright, I got our pictures. Thank you so much.
Oh, appreciate it.
Thank you.
That's the friend.
Yeah.
We're all good friends. We're just doing car shows together.
Yeah. If you want, you could check out his YouTube.
I won't.
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a good night.
Yeah, good night.
This is actually going to be my first time seeing this place up close and personal. I just see photos on Instagram. Newell Auto.
So weird.
Slick. That thing's pretty badass, man. What? Holy. Alright guys, first off, look what's just standing in their front lobby. You can tell this place is hype. And then, just a little peek. Damn. Yeah. Oh, so sad.
It's abandoned car from Dubai, you know?
What's up, fellas? Crazy, gang's all here.
Our house parties are better than yours.
Sheesh.
Made it!
Yeah, we're here.
You!
Good to see you, man. Man. Okay, one of my favorite Sienna builds.
One day.
Oh, one day. Hell yeah, man.
Oh, the Liberty Walk.
That day's today.
Yeah.
Already? Sorry about the wait, man.
Oh, not at all. We were waiting for you guys.
There's 2 racing simulators upstairs too.
What?
Do you guys need more tables? We have 2 more tables. We're good. We have tables upstairs. There's drinks and everything.
Oh, appreciate it, man. This is our show part 2.
Every time he comes to Saskatoon, the after show.
Yeah. You
So
get-
this is the shop that's building 3 RWBs. So when we
Really?
do, yeah, so that white one
Yeah.
and the 993964 that are all clean and nice.
Yeah.
We're just waiting for the kid to come here and Nakai to come here. So I'll let you know. You guys can come.
That
Nakai
would be
will here.
amazing. Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. Dang. Now this is a trailer.
Racing simulators in a second, so you guys can get a go.
Yeah, I actually want to test that out, man. Oh, what? There it is. So dirty.
Hold me, yo.
Yeah, no, right? No, this thing's so badass. Oh, there you go. What?
Oh, Alpino wheels, what the fuck?
I like this. What the? Cool. Yeah, I was wondering if you could actually see down there. That's dope. These are intense rigs.
That's what you need to be a good driver.
It's true, yeah, as close as it can get, right? I'm destroying $100,000 car. Oh no, is this not connected?
Not quite the same.
Is the wire in?
Dodge Challenger because I'm familiar with. I have one at home. That's why I was
shit.
like, we'll see how it handles.
Feels the same.
Damn close, man.
Interesting.
Like
For you to know.
yeah, that's a race.
We'll find out. You got it. Look at that racing line.
Yeah, dude, it's smooth.
And just because you're into cars,
shit,
like, you
really?
just literally came back from a show. I'm like, oh, hit this guy up.
driven,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Yeah, man, that's awesome.
Yeah, and what was your name?
Connor.
Connor, nice shirt, bro.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Super cool, man. Thanks for saying hi, bro.
Yeah, no
And good luck on your build.
Yeah.
How's it going, guys? What do you think?
Wow, but I showed him the lug nuts on that one. He thinks that's cooler.
Yeah, do it for the kids, right?
Hope you don't find a speed bump, eh?
I found plenty here.
Yeah. I see that.
Uh-huh.
Of course you find that.
Is it a Lexus or?
It looks like it. It's just a front bumper conversion, so it's a Scion FRS.
Oh, Scion.
So technically it's under Toyota still, but
Yeah.
Hi, Grandma.
This is amazing.
This one has spikes.
He likes this one by the way.
Yeah, this gold one's mine. Yeah, and if you're curious, that one's his. We literally just came back from a car show that they took place in Saskatoon. We're from Calgary. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Explains.
Nice. How are
This is
you?
amazing. Good, how are you doing?
Yeah.
I know, right? Like even the little freaking cube is like all knotted out.
Those ones are sweet. Oh yeah, no, this one I drive to the ends of the earth and back, man.
Hell of a lot of work.
Yeah, I'd say. It's just
Labor
like
of love.
Exactly, you know it, man. If you can find something that you're very passionate about, it's like time flies by like nothing.
Yeah.
So, yeah, as long as we're having fun with it, you know?
Yeah.
Peace! Have a good one, guys! Oh, so nice. They simply just stopped to check out the cars, but we talked for a good bit. Ready? Yo, son! He's having a down to listening party right now. Fucking, his goal is to memorize that whole album by the time we get back to Calgary. And mine is as well. Let's go. Yikes, guys. Back there, Gucci got caught. Oh, that's completely my fault. I was going too fast. Yikes. Even though I was leading, man. We're being nice friends and we pulled over. And we'll just even wait for the cop. We're trying to be respectful. 1 more hour away from Calgary, too. What? Gutu!
It wasn't even just the speed. Yeah, he gave me a ticket for my exhaust and my tint as well.
Wait, what? What? Yo, the guy behind you was one of the driven guys.
Really?
Yeah, he came by, he's like, I tried to warn you. So it wasn't even for speeding?
Yeah, I got the speeding one, plus tint and plus exhaust.
Gotcha.
Fuck?
Yeah.
You weren't even speeding.
Yeah, I didn't feel like I was speeding.
As long as you're okay. Let's get out of here before he gives us all window tint tickets. This isn't a place to stop. Oops! So again, fairly monotonous drive back, but it was a beautiful day. And 2 educational podcasts and a Kanye Donda album later, we made it back to Calgary, but of course, not everything in life is supposed to go that smooth.
So, like, close to
Speeding is 260?
No, 286.
Okay, I got you for that.
And then the other one is like 160. I think he combined it, I guess.
Yeah.
Real
The
talk,
tint
I
and
was
that.
going like 100, man.
Yeah.
I wasn't going like more than that.
I didn't
This was
feel like I was
struggling up the
speeding.
hills, bro.
Like, me and Jeffy were talking, that's why I wasn't paying attention to behind me.
I know.
And like, it didn't feel like I was speeding either.
Dude, I saw him come this way, and I'm like, okay, so I won't pass right now.
Yeah.
And then I thought Gutu, Gutu was behind me, so I thought he
too.
was like,
That's why I saw it right away, so I
he
like...
busted a Yui though. Like he
I was
busted.
Oh, he was on the other side?
Yeah, he came this way, and then I noticed, so I'm like, okay, I won't pass right now, right?
Dang.
And then I made it up the hill.
Oh.
I saw him pull over. I'm like, just something happened.
I noticed it right away. I'm like, thought he was gonna go for the first person. That's why I pulled over right away. But then also, I'm like, if anything, I just be honest. And if he comes up to any of us, tell him the truth. Where we just came from this show. Like, yeah, just
He
be
didn't
chill.
ask me anything. He
That
didn't
guy
ask,
just
he didn't ask me
wanted
for
the
registration.
money, man.
I guess they don't ask anymore. Registration and insurance, they don't ask anymore.
They just
They
know.
they just know.
Crazy.
Insurance.
So he
they
didn't ask me
should
anything. He
ask.
just took my license plate, did the tickets, and came back.
What the?
My license.
Yo, he
yeah.
probably didn't even care. He just wants your money, man.
He made me do the sobriety test.
Oh, no way!
It's like a mandatory check. It's the first thing that he like came with it and like put it in my face like mandatory.
Yo, you could have been nice. You could have bought me dinner first before you shoved
Yeah.
shit in my
Yeah,
mouth,
yeah.
bro. No.
Oh my gosh, that. Okay, well,
So yeah,
Okay.
it's all good.
not everything in life's supposed to go that smooth.
Yeah.
But it was so close. 1 hour away.
Dude, I know.
Dude, I
It's
saw
always
him
at
on
least
the other
once.
side.
Like,
Yeah.
there's always at least one pullover.
And we expect it by now. Okay, guys, we made it. But of course, like I said, not everything in life is supposed to go that smooth. We expect these things to happen. All in all, the Saskatoon show is really sweet. Big shout outs to the EC Works guys. Sean, thank you guys for hosting us afterwards. And I kind of want one of those racing rigs for myself. Promised Gucci that I'd pay off that $280 speeding ticket because I was the one in front of the pack. I was the one that was setting the pace. When you're driving for so long, like several hours into the road trip, you kind of just lose track of how fast you're actually going. And sometimes I'm just like, in my own little world, maybe it was inevitable, who knows. I kind of wish we had enough space to be able to do that drifting stuff here, but you know, that's why Driven is selective because not all venues allow that kind of stuff. But in their city, it was actually on CTV News, so that's pretty cool. But now we're back, and I guess the next show for us is the Calgary Fan Expo, and then there's a few meets from now until the end of September. which you guys can get updated with through our social media. So just follow us on the Instagram accounts. And then also ended up getting a lot of footage from the Saskatoon show, so I might actually end up splitting this vlog into 2 videos. I find that 20-minute vlogs are actually already too long, so it really depends on the viewer too. Like, maybe you guys enjoy my content. We'll do our best. Appreciate you guys for watching as always. And I mean, like I was saying a little earlier, because I want to leave you guys with a little sun. Not everything in life is supposed to go that smooth. And it's just a matter of both thinking about the downsides of all the upsides and the exact opposite of that. Basically, you just want to over prepare, you know, and think about absolutely everything that's going to happen in whatever situation you're facing. Thank you for watching as always, and appreciate you for following us on this 7-hour mini road trip, I guess. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace. So you guys might want to tune in for next vlog, because right now I'm contemplating on which of the cars in my possession I actually want to get rid of. So next vlog, getting rid of half of my fleet, because sometimes you just gotta take a few steps backwards to take multiple steps forward. And yes, that's what I'm gonna do.